Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Union bank account. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, want to search for a Union bank login just like this. After you search for it, scroll a bit down until you see Union Bank. Make sure it takes you to unionbank.com. That is the official website for Union Bank. Don't get confused with the Union Bank of India, alright? That's another bank. Now once you're in this page at the site, this thing will pop up. Over here, enter your user ID of your account and click on sign on. And on the next step, it's going to ask you for the password of your account. And after you enter the password of your account, you should be able to log in into your Union Bank's online banking account. As you guys can see, it's asking for my password. If I enter my password and click submit, I should be able to log in into my Union's online banking account. And if you forgot your password, you can always click on forgot password to recover it as well. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.